Okay, now we will discuss polygons. Okay, so we will discuss what are polygon. So polygon means firstly closed figure. It should be closed by all the sides with 3 or more straight line segment. It means 1, 2, 3, 3 or more. More means it can be 4, it can be 5, it can be 6. So line segment minimum 3 or they can be 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and so on. And what they have, they should be a closed figure. So polygons means they are containing 3 line segment or more line segment, and it should be a closed figure with 3 or more straight lines. Okay, so the lines should be straight, okay, and minimum 3 or 4, 5, 6, 7 and so on, and they should form what? A closed figure. Okay, so a closed figure with 3 line segment or more than 3 line segments, they are called polygon. Okay. Okay, now we have discussed polygon. Now we will discuss types of polygon. Okay. Number 1 is triangle. Okay, so the triangle is also a polygon with how many sides or how many line segments? 3. 1 line segment, 2 line segment, and this is the 3rd line segment. So A, B, C. So 3 line segments. You can see 1, 2, 3, and they are forming a closed figure. So it is a polygon. So triangle is a 3-sided polygon. Okay. Now number 2 is quadrilateral. Quadri means 4 sides. Okay. So a polygon with 4 line segment, they are called quadrilateral. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is A, B, C, D. This is square. The square is what? A quadrilateral because it is having 4 sides. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is a closed figure. Rectangle also. A, B, C, D. Rectangle is also a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral means those who are having how many sides? 4 sides, and they should be a closed figure. Okay. Now number 3rd is pentagon. Penta means 5 side. So a closed figure with 5 line segments are called pentagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is A, B, C, D, and this is E. So a closed figure with how many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides are called pentagon. Now number 4th is hexagon. Hexa means 6 sides. So hexagon is also a closed figure with 6 line segment. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A, B, C, D, E, F. So a closed figure with how many line segment? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 line segment. They are called hexagon. Now number 5 is heptagon. So what are heptagon? Heptagon is also a polygon with 7 line segment. Okay, so it will have 7 line segment. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Okay, so it is also a closed figure with 7-line segment. Okay, now number 6 is octagon. Octagon is also a polygon with 8-line segment. Okay, so it is also a closed figure with 8-line segment. They are called octagon. So a polygon with 8-line segment, they are called octagon. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so this is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Okay. Now 7th is nonagon. So it is also a polygon with 9-line segment. Okay, so how many segments? 9-line segments. A polygon with 9-line segments are called nonagon. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Okay, so a polygon with 9-line segments are called nonagon. Okay, now number 8 is decagon. So what is decagon? It's a polygon with how many line segments? 10 line segments. Okay, a polygon with 10 line segments are called decagon. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. Okay,